Want to create countdown timer video for YouTube live streams? So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Step 1. Create timer list in Excel. Step 2. Save timer data as CSV file. Step 3. Use Canva timer template. Step 4. Import data to Bulk Create app. Step 5. Connect CSV data with design. Step 6. Generate bulk countdown pages. Step 7. Set page duration to 1 second. Step 8. Add copyright-free background music. Your final countdown premiere video is now ready.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.